Wait a minute. Is that Sammy K? Looks just like it. It's Samantha. Zigzag, like the Rolly papers.
That's what on Watergate next to
Oh, you know the boat?
next to Gratitude, yeah. Here's what I want.
What's up?
A little workload like that, just come out. Running the shit.
I mean, what do you think that does? There's
Push
no,
those little barges around, work barges.
but very little.
Yeah.
I mean,
like
not.
the ones that were working on the shit in here.
That's what that one would do.
Yeah. They'll have like a little backhoe on them or something. Or
Like twin outboards. Look at that.
like the fireworks barge.
There's no way that would do a fireworks barge. Really?
It's not a full-size barge. It's a fireworks.
Yes, please. If somebody can sit on the and tell me what's going on down the aisle. Thank you. Thank you. What else you got? Now, if we had won the regatta, I would definitely be going into Lakewood and doing pirouettes in the inner harbor. But we don't even need to go. Unless you want to go, you're welcome to go. I'm not sure if I'm going to go. Maybe I'll go. I'm happy to drink on the boat. Terry's going to go for sure. He's got a lot more friends over there than I do. Tom will not be over there. Thank you. Yeah, one of those little wine boats. We'll see what he wants to do. I did, and I think he was trying to call me. Is that on? What's that called? Bob's Getaway or some shit? Wine cruise? It's got a name. Yeah. I think he's going to be our.
Well, you see that one at Waterford, right?
No, they got two of them here that they charter with.
Waterford, over by in your neighborhood. There's one like in your cove and another cove.
Really?
Yeah. Dark blue hull. That's Christine.
I mean, there's an Italian dark blue little motor yacht that.
Christy Tankersley has one of those.
Why do I know the name Tankersley?
They live in your neighborhood.
I think they were over last night. Wait a minute.
Christy and John Tankersley. Christy, her maiden name was Kruger. If you're not from the area, but Coach Kruger was a basketball coach for Clear Lake.
I know the Kruger. He was gay.
Freddie?
He was gay.
I know Freddie Kruger.
Yeah, Coach Kruger's still around.
But Tankersley sounds very familiar. That's what I said.
Oh, yeah. Bob.
Yeah, I was trying to. Bob's on the bay. Thank you. Because if I knew that, I would have said, "Hey, Bob's on the bay."
Watch your ass. Put the line down and pay attention where you're going.
It's for sale.
Yeah, I know, but it didn't say I had sold yet.
No, $920.
It came down. It was $9.95, wasn't it?
It was $970. But there's cheaper ones out there, so he's not happy
One
either.
right there is not for sale. Little boat. Hurricane damage, but fiberglass tank did a really good job. Did what?
All right, so the first line on is going to be starboard stern.
Starboard stern. Stick me on the dock. I'll take it with me.
If somebody can get off the boat without jumping or hurting themselves, you can also get the starboard spring on. But it'll make a lot more sense when I get there. Oh, did we tie the fenders with? Are the fenders all tied properly, like clove hitches or
Clove hitches.
clove hitch are better?
3 clove hitches. Clover hitch.
Need a couple of clover hitches on that.
The one that y'all talked about.
We're teaching the owners lessons on that boat. Yeah, I was just out on it the other day. Thankfully, I hired a captain because I tried to outdrink the old man, and he's pretty good.
He's professional.
I'm on that with my dad.
How did you say he was?
84.
Throwing line down on our stern port. Starboard.
Starboard stern is going to be the first. Starboard spring would be great to be second. Get those gray lines. We put them away somewhere. The bow lines, they were gray in color, not the gold ones. Hey, can I get a sandwich? Can I get the Hey song? We got to make the docking like a part of the show. Will he make it or not? I mean, they do the fountains in Vegas. It's like, can you imagine having a whole people like, wow, the fishing boat's out. You get that? God, you guys are awesome.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Get ready on the bow. Terry's gonna hit that on his first shot. Oh my God. On his second shot. Don't look at it. Look past.
Practice your rodeo skills.
Nice. See, when you're nice and calm and chill, not trying, lock it down. I'll drive on it. Get ready on the stern, on the bow. Sorry. No, no, no. Do not hook the port side until the starboard side. I know everybody wants to be a Terry type hero, but there's only 2 Terrys on this boat. That's what she said. Don't look at it. Look past it. Nice. See? All right, now you guys can play with the port side. I don't care what order, because I value all of you. Oh, wait, you're first. If you can use the stern lines to center the davits, that'd be awesome. And if somebody's off the boat, they can help. Yeah, everything but the springs. So just loop it around and hand her the tail. Make her work for it, though. Next time, Sean's doing the roller furler on the Code Zero.
My latch is sore. My latch will be sore tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna get my swab and walk on.
You can terminate your gym membership and just come out here. Hey, Chris. I was going to do lats today, but can we
Maybe 40 bucks a month, dude.
can we get the Code Zero out? Ugh.
Yo, Chris. Kayak back on board?
No, leave it there. I actually want it in the yard. And if they don't yell at me, if they do yell at me, I got to move it to my storage. But I think kayak times are over. Yeah, you don't have to. I mean, yeah. You definitely don't want it tight. That's what Epstein said. What?
Well, what do you say? Was it worth going?
I mean, it's like stuff like that is why we do this. It's not to win or lose. It's to fight. Listen to AC/DC.
It's another great day.
It really was a great day. So I'm happy with everything, how it went. I hope you are. There's no way somebody can do that and say they didn't have a good time.
Not exactly. Well, signing off, Yacht Stations, Texas.
Till next time, well done.